Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today is our December eyeshadow palette giveaway. It is the Too Faced That's My Jam palette. Give you a little sneak peek here. This is mine. It does have a mirror on this side and looks like this on the inside. A really cute little palette. I do have a brand new one for you. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word and you're going to need to know that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. Do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because we hit that 2,000 subscriber. Woo! Give yourself a round of applause because you made it happen. I am over the moon about that. So that huge giveaway will be coming up, I think, next week, I think. So be on the lookout for that one. Today's is the That's My Jam Too Faced palette. And I know I've got quite a few in December. So make sure that you are subscribed so you know when I upload. So what we're going to do is talk a little bit about the palette, do some swatches, do some looks, and let you know what you need to do to win your very own brand new one of these. So the palette does retail for $32 as I am filming this on November 28th. It is 50% off. So check and see if you're interested in this and want to pick it up, and make sure to look for that because normally $32. It's on sale right now for $16. And basically they say, don't be jelly. This palette of sexy and cool shades is inspired by fresh picked berries that will have you say, oh, hot damn, that's my jam. You guys, it smells like blueberries, and I can't tell you how many times I've had mine open. Still has that smell. So there are 8 exclusive multi-finish shades. Rich, highly pigmented shadows offer true color payoff. Silky smooth formula blends effortlessly. Smells like fresh blueberries. The inspiration of this sweet and sexy travel-friendly palette has inspired the cool, juicy colors of real blueberries. So let's get into a couple of the swatches. This one right here is Spread It. It's a light peachy pink matte. Grape Soda is this one right here. Light gray lavender matte. So this one I have in my transition today, and then this one here I have in my crease. One right here, I absolutely love this. I do have it in my inner corner today. It is Pick Up Limes, a multi-dimensional green and blue pearl shimmer. It would be really good as just, let's say that you just want to put on a little transition, a little crease definer. You could even use your contour for it. And then put this all over the lid, call it good, and walk out the door, and it would be really, really pretty. Use that like as an all over lid shade. This one right here. It is Jam Session, a vivid magenta with pink shimmer and metallics. It's really, really pretty. How vibrant that is. Love it. So here are those 4 shades. We be jammin' right here. This shade is so cool. It is a peachy pink gold with pearl shimmer. This one here is a Violent Femmes. It is a purple with a blue pearl, and it really kind of shifts on you. Sometimes it looks more pink, sometimes it looks more purple. Toast is this one right here. It is a warm burnt orange brown matte, and Jam on it is this outer corner right here in this lower. It is a deep burgundy matte. Look at how vivid those mattes are. So, so, so pretty. Okay, let's get in a couple of the looks. So I'm thinking about doing kind of more of a neutral look today, kind of going here, 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 here. So let's grab this shade here. I am grabbing it on a rougher 36, dabbing it on both sides. It is great for those of you with hooded eyes like I do. Let's try and zoom in a little bit. And all I'm gonna do right now is with the this brush kind of goes like this. So I'm just kind of tapping it in the outer corner here to start off with, going deep, pressing it deep inside the crease. And then I'm gonna flip that over so this side here gets kind of above the crease. So all it's working on here is, you can see the crease, and then this part here goes above it. And always starting with the outer corner, because that's where it'll deposit the most color first. And so it's going to be more pigmented there. I'm just kind of tapping right now. Okay, let's do a little bit of a blend. I do want to warm that up just a little bit here. I am going to take this one here. This is on a rougher 14. Again, starting in that outer corner. It's kind of this really pretty brick shade, kind of terracotta. It's highly pigmented. And then just with the same brush, I'm going to go into this kind of a burgundy shade here and put that on the very outer corner here. Just do a little tap. And then on a Luxie 121, just gonna blend that just a little bit. Okay, and then on the outer half of the lid, I'm going to take this shimmer right here, and on the inner half, let's do this really pretty sparkly one right here. So let's take this one here first. I love using my fingers for shimmers and just kind of do a little tappity tap. Okay, let's grab this. It's gorgeous, it's so stunning. Love it. On the inner part. Then from our 206, I am going to take that same shade and pick up a little bit and put it on the inner corner, tear duct and lower lash waterline. Just where my fingers couldn't reach. And then let's tightline this one on the rest of that lower lash. Starting in the outside, working our way in. And then on an empty, kind of whatever fluffy brush you have that doesn't have any product on it, just kind of rub that underneath to kind of blend it out just a little. Okay, let me put some mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. I think I'm going to use this upper row here and then also pick up this one right here. Start with that light pink here. Gonna go above the crease a little bit. Onto the crease itself with this lilac shade here. For whatever reason, my eyeball hurts today. Like whenever I press out in this area. Don't ask me, I have no idea, I'm so weird. And I want to deepen that outer corner a little bit too. I think I'm going to go this one all over the lid. I love how it shifts. And then this guy right here in the inner corner. Just use my finger. Don't like putting pinks or purples or reds underneath the eye. It makes me look really sick, so that's why nothing's going underneath there. Just a really quick, easy look. So I'm gonna grab this one for the inner corner area. Just on a brush because my fingers can't reach there. Okay, let me put some mascara and lips on and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. What about you guys? Let me know which one look you like better. I kind of like this one. Let me know which one you do. Let's do a secret word B, jam, J-A-M. So I really like this palette. I think it's cute. You can obviously do an everyday look, staying like here. You can do a little spicy, whatever your heart contends. I do really like, I mean, some of the shadows are lighter, but some of them have a really deep tone to them, and I really, really like them. This one here, and then this one backwards in the mirror. This one right here did have a little bit of fallout, so make sure to shake your brush, especially when using those. Other than that, I really, really did like the palette. Let me know if you've tried this one before or not. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also make sure to put on it that secret word. You can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on there if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways, you can do 1, 2, 3, whatever. So your 4 ways. Number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your social media accounts, because it helps us grow so much, and I truly, truly appreciate it. I want to say thank you guys so much for doing that. It means the world to me. And make sure to tag me on those, because I love seeing those posts too. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. And I bring it up, especially with eyeshadow palettes for damaged. It will leave here in pristine condition. It's brand new. Yours is. I don't do any swatches. I don't do any looks. Everything I use my palette for. Yours is absolutely brand new. But sometimes, you know, in the mail, especially at this time of year, never know what might happen. I'm just not responsible if something gets damaged or lost in the mail. Editing Christina here. I do want to say I love our mailman, especially this time of year, and all of those who do that wonderful calling. My brother's a mailman, and so just no shade on them. So let's have this giveaway go through January 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on January 13th, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I will take the first name, first initial, the last names from the computer and the bonus entries. Put those in the computer spins all the names around. We all see the computer do that, and then as soon as the giveaway is over and I mailed out the prizes, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share it. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you liked this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. Let me know how you guys are doing. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!